So hey guys, welcome you all. So I'm going to start Striper's A2Z DSA series. So I will try to do at least one question or more in each of the videos I upload. So for the disclaimer, I'm not an expert in DSA. So I will be learning along with you guys and will be sharing my approach and solution to the problems that I am going to do in this series. So I will basically start from the very basic, so from the very step one. So here uh, I'm gonna start the pattern series from the Strivers A2Z DSA sheet. So today I'm going to do the question number one. So I have already solved a few questions from the sheet, but let's see. So here we have a problem statement of n forest. So we will try to solve this. So the problem statement is Sam is making a forest visualizer. So an n-dimensional forest is represented by the pattern of size n into n filled with star. So for every value of n, help Sam to print corresponding n-dimensional forest. So basically we have to print n into n matrix of stars if we simplify this problem. So basically these stars are separated by a space in between them. So we have three rows and three columns, so we have to just connect the rows and columns, and we are good to go. So for that we will have to use inner loops. So we will go with two for loops and it will be fine for us to get this question done. So here I have taken outer loop for the rows, and for the columns I am going to take an inner loop. So the plus plus, and we are just simply going to print the star using print statement and followed by a space. So we also need a space to separate them, and then to print the new line we have to write it in the outer loop. So this will print a new line. Let's see. So yes guys, we solved this question successfully. So you can refer to this solution or you can go with some other approach also, but for me it's good enough. We will submit the code right now, and yeah, it's accepted. So see you guys in the next video with the new problem.